Hello, I'm Richie. I'm 43 years old. I'm a Filipino, CNC programmer and operator. I specialize in CNC vertical milling machine with fan control. I started my career as a CAD operator. I worked my way to be a CNC operator. I even transferred from one factory to another factory just to learn CNC. I was given a chance to work in Saudi Arabia as a CNC programmer and a CNC operator, and was given a chance to supervise a small team of fabricators. We fabricate machine parts, plastic molds, and dies. I'm a hardworking guy. I usually do jobs as being instructed, or even in simple instructions I can manage to work. Given a chance, I would like to work again in other countries. I hope you give me a chance to work with you.